kumita online but hindi mo alam paano at hindi ka tech savvy? Ako na ang bahala. Just watch this video until the end. Sa video na to, explain ko sa iyo na mabilis how this business work o bakit may refundable registration fee na $149 at ano ang role mo as a digital business owner. At of course, paano ka kikita? Ako pala si Raham, registered nurse here in the UK for 23 long years and also a mentor in this incredible business community. I'm so passionate in helping working mom, parents, hardworking nurses, and OFWs, or anyone who want to reclaim time and financial stability for their family. I say this with so much love because once upon a time, I'm like you, overworked, exhausted, curious, and skeptical. I'm also a wife to Jeffrey and a mom of 2 beautiful teenagers, and on the top of all that, I'm also proud breadwinner with my siblings and aging parents back home in the Philippines. At katulad ng nakakarami, akala ko dati, pag abroad ka na, may financial stability ka at hindi ka na mamroblema sa pera. Ay nako, mali pala ako. Lalong dumami ang obligasyon ko at kahit 2 to 3 job pa, nagkukulang pa rin. Lalo na pag may mga emergency sa Pinas. Akala ko dati, normal talaga pag 3 job. Just to survive until one day, nagkasakit ang tatay ko for more than 1 year. In and out in the hospital. I was not ready. I was financially, physically, and mentally drained. That's where I realized I needed a change. I needed another source of income that I don't need to sacrifice my family time and time para sa mga anak ko. In 2024 last year of February, nagtapuan ko ang online business na opportunity na to through a stranger online and now she's my coach, Coach Lizelle. This is an answer prayer for me. Why? When I found this business, I was on my lowest. And that time, I feel stuck para ang lahat ay naka-autopilot. Trabaho, bahay, padala sa Pinas. Waiting for the paycheck and repeat. And God showed me hope. And that's the reason I'm sharing this video. Baka makatulong din po sa inyo. Now, this digital business is a combination of affiliate marketing and franchise model. Design ito ng mga expert for people na sobrang busy, na katulad natin, pero gusto magkaroon ng extra income online. And perfect din ito sa mga tao na may business na but gustong mag-expand pa o dumagdag ng business. And of course, kung wala ka ding business experience. So, bakit siya combination ng affiliate marketing and bakit tinatawag na franchise model? So, let me explain. Affiliate marketing, kikita ka by promoting a well-known companies na nag-o-offer ng sobrang gandang quality na health and wellness product. And these are essential products. Alam niyo ba, according to statistics, ang health and wellness industry ay expected to reach over $6 trillion by 2025. And the reason being is mas marami ng tao ang nagiging conscious sa kanilang kalusugan and overall well-being. Kaya naman, dito sa programa natin, ang main affiliate ay sobrang sikat, sobrang tatag na kumpanya na originated in Japan at over 51 years na sa health and wellness industry. Imagine how long is the credibility ng kumpanya natin, no? In fact, this company may 45 branches in 25 countries around the globe. So, worldwide po ang business natin. So, kung tatag ang pinag-uusapan, 100% po. So, bakit naman franchise model? Kasi mayroon na pong ready-made system that includes the personal website, automation tools, and step-by-step training. Ginagawang madali ang buhay natin to start and grow our business without the complexity of building everything from the scratch. Gawa na para sa'yo, may system na susundan mo lang. So, pag-usapan naman natin ang what will be your rule as a business owner. I'm sure ang tanong mo ay, kailangan ko ba magbenta o mag-recruit? Nako, the good news is, we don't sell the product directly. So, lilinawin ko lang ha, dito sa business na to, may products involved, but hindi ikaw ang magbebenta. We have the automated system na does it for you. So, ang rule mo lang is to guide those interested people to our automated system. Kasi nga, ang automated system ang nag-handle ng presentation and explain the business model for you. Kaya kung hindi ka magaling magsalita at mag-explain, walang problema. Ang galing, di ba? So, kung ang tanong mo ay, paano ko sila i-guide sa automated system? Nako, lahat ng yan ituturo sa'yo sa mga training at magkaroon ka din ng mentor at coach na mag-guide sa'yo or gagabay sa'yo. So, hindi mo na kailangan i-pressure ang family at friends mo dito. No, you don't need them. You will learn how to attract leads. Pag sinabi nating leads, they are the people looking and interested na sa business mo. Ang mga tao na to, naghahanap na talaga sila ng pagkakakitaan online. So, paano mo gagawin yun? Through marketing strategy on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, at marami pang iba. Okay? So ngayon, ang pag-usapan natin is how does business work? Ganito yon. Once you join, we will provide you with essential tools to start and grow your business. Kung ano-ano yon? First is personal website funnel, marketing training, at ang third is automated system. Dito po gagamitin ang bayad mo na one-time registration fee na $149. Alam niyo po ba kung magkano sa iba ang ganito na program? Ang website at automated system alone will cost you $22,000 per year. Hindi pa kasali ang marketing training doon. So, you can research this after ninyo napanood ang video na to. So, isa-isahin ko po ng mabilis ha. Number 1, personal website. We will build and manage the website for you, okay? Your website capture the contact information of your leads and introduces them to the business. Yung business website po ang magiging tulay para mag-guide mo ang mga leads o tao sa automated system. Kasi nga, ang automated system ang mag-explain na sa kanila ng business on your behalf. Hindi po ikaw. Number 2 po is you will teach you how to run effective campaign to attract the right audience to your website. Okay? At number 3 is automated system. Sobrang importante to because it does the heavy lifting for you. So, anong rule ng automated system natin? So, if someone sign up on your website and the system explain the business to the customer through a webinar, kapag nagustuhan nila ang business model natin, then they will pay the one-time registration fee na $149 to access the entire program, and that also cover the cost of the website, the training, and the automated system. Sabi ko nga kanina, these are the 3 essential tools na kakailanganin nila to start and grow their online digital business. Then from there, they will have a strategic call or coaching call with one of the trained coach who will guide them to set up their own digital business. Dito din i-discuss ang details o magkano at paano ang kitaan. Super ganda at unique ang compensation plan. So personally, i-discuss din ito ng experienced coach sa customer. Pagkatapos doon ka na kikita. Yung customer na nag-sign up sa website mo at kinausap ni experienced coach, hindi ikaw ang kumausap, take note. Kapag yon ay nag-agree to set up their own business, babayaran ka na ni company. So, sino si company na magbabayad sa'yo? Yung affiliate company natin. So, saan naman manggagaling ang ibabayad sa'yo ni company? Of course, hindi pitsu-pitsu lang ang ating affiliate partner, no? Manggagaling yon sa product na binili ni customer kasi nga part ng pag-set up ng business nila is mag-avail sila ng product or products. It can be between 1 or 4 products. Pero hindi mo na problemahin yon. Yung mga coach na ang bahala mag-close ng sales or business deals for you. So now, ang worry mo naku, bibili naman kaya sila? The answer is big, massive yes. Kasi po, ito nga ay mga essential health and wellness product na ginagamit natin araw-araw. Dahil sobra na ang mga tao na very health conscious ngayon. Kaya talaga ay mag-a-avail sila sa mga product natin. So wag mo na problemahin yun. Kasi nga po, ang mga experienced coaches na ang bahala at ang ating powerful automated system na ang bahala doon. So ngayon, pag napanood nila ang business strategy videos kung saan ipinaliwanag ang compensation plan at iba-iba pang strategy to start your business, at kung magbago ang isip nila within 30 days, okay lang yan. I-refund ang binayaran nila na $149. Kaya walang talo si customer. Ang galing, di ba? May 30 days money back guarantee po. Actually, isa ito sa nagustuhan ko sa business na to. Hindi ako kinabahan mag-register at magbayad kasi nga, refundable naman kung magbago ang isip ko. Walang pilitan. So in summary, your main role as a business owner, dalawa lang yan. Rule number 1 is marketing as advertising. Kailangan mo lang i-promote ang business opportunity na to sa social media to attract people who want to work online. Marami yan. Buong mundo ang market mo. Kasi nga, napakaraming tao na ngayon na gustong mag-work online, magkaroon ng online business, pero hindi nila alam kung saan at paano magsimula. Magpo-post ka lang. Hindi ba ginagawa mo na yan ngayon? Bakit hindi mo na lang pagkakitaan? Diba? Lahat ay ituturo namin sa iyo sa training. Ang number 2 is mentoring. I-mentor mo lang ang mga new business owner. Huwag kang kabahan sa word na mentoring. You just need to help the new business owner to get started. By how? By connecting them to our training system. Lilinawin ko lang ha, hindi po ikaw ang mag-train. Kasi nga, may training site tayo na accessible sa kanila 24/7. Kasi po, recorded ang videos. Plus, they will have their own mentor and coach. Plus, the entire community is there to help and mentor those new business partners of yours. Hindi ka mag-iisa dito. Magtutulungan tayo lahat. Di ba ang galing? In short, kung ikaw ay isang busy na tao at sobra kang humahataw sa trabaho, in fact, pagod na pagod ka na at masakit na lahat ang part ng katawan mo sa kaka-overtime at hindi ka din magaling sa technology o sa computer, perfect talaga ang business na to. Kasi po, 10% lang na work ang gagawin mo at ang 90% is done for you by automated system at experienced coaches. So, ano na ang next steps mo? So, now naiintindihan mo na kung ano tong business na to, paano mag-work at kung anong rule mo. Ang next step po is mag-register at mag-pay ng one-time refundable fee na $149. Pwede po ninyo gamitin ang inyong credit card o debit card dito. Tulad ng sinabi ko, this covers as well the 3 essential na kakailanganin mo to run your business, which is ang website, training, at automated system na gagawa ng 90% job for you. And remember, kung i-avail mo ito sa iba, it will cost you more or less $22,000 per year. Dito sa program natin, $149 lang. At one-time payment po ito, hindi po to subscription. So, after mo mag-register, you can have the access to watch the 2 hours business strategy videos. Dito, lahat ng tanong mo ay masasagot. 99% of your question will be answered here. Malalaman mo din kung magkano ang investment cost or ang financing options sa'yo. Nako, very helpful ang information na to kasi nga, noong nagsisimula ako, when I started, wala din po akong ipon. So, I avail the financing. So, malalaman mo din kung paano at gaano kalaki ang pwede mong kitain. So, kung sakaling magbagong isip mo, within 30 days, before your coaching call, we will refund your money, no question asked. So, kung ready ka na, mag-register ka na or i-message mo lang ang mentor mo or the person who give you this video para mabigay sa'yo ang secure link to pay. Okay? So, hope to see you inside mga kabayan. Bye for now!